Welcome again to Unboxing Unscripted Unfiltered, and we are going to be unboxing another special watch this time around. It's been a while since I got something from this brand, but before that, I would like to give a shout out to Kunuku Coffee Roasters, the best handcrafted coffee in the whole wide universe. Because I no, maybe you don't know because you haven't tasted them yet, and that's why I'm telling you that. So, if you trust me to give you an honest quick review of coffee, then you better believe it that this is the best handcrafted coffee in all of reality. Just accept that, okay? So if you're in Aruba, buy one of these, buy one of their coffee, and you'll never regret it because I said so. Anyway, back to our review. Here's the box. It's coming from Wise. Yes, the guys from Thailand has finally caved in and sent me another watch after almost a year or maybe 2 years of not sending me anything because maybe I don't know, maybe I offended them or maybe they just forgot or maybe I forgot. Well, whatever. Things happen, and sometimes you fall out of touch on one of your favorite brands, and sometimes it just so happens that you kind of rekindle that fire within each other and then start talking after a while. And then sooner or later you find out that, hey, it's time to review another watch. And yes, they finally realize, yes, it's time to send you another watch, Jason, for you to review. Oh, and this never gets old. It's a signature of Wise. All of these peanut styrofoam things. Oh, okay, hopefully it doesn't spill on my copy. Okay, put that down. It's a box within a box, guys. It's a box within a box. So I need a sip of coffee. Let's see what this has in store for us. Well, I'm not gonna be surprised because I know which watch they sent. Just need to be careful not to like cut the box. Actually, look at that. I caught the carton. Hopefully it's okay. I missed the inner box. Oh my goodness. There's still another box. Within a box. Bubble wraps. My wife loves bubble wraps. Anyway. Okay, nice box there. Well, gone are the days when they have those huge wooden boxes. Are they really gone? Maybe not. Let me see. At least they're slightly more compact looking now. Okay, thank you so much. That's I didn't really order this, guys, but you know the drill. Oh, they still have the wooden box. So obviously, I haven't been watching any other reviews of Wise from other YouTubers, and because maybe I have a slight envy that they have it and I don't. Just being honest there, guys. But all is well once again because they have sent me another Wise to review, and this one, I actually asked for this for the longest while, even before they produce their Adamascus bracelet. I was asking already to produce it in an Adamascus bracelet. I actually reviewed an Adamascus without a bracelet. Back in the time, it didn't come in a bracelet, and I fitted a Zelos bracelet on that Adamascus, and that's where the idea came about. And I think they're already developing a bracelet for it, but then they saw that video and people commented on that video, and that just pushed them further to really work hard to release that bracelet. It took them a while, and when it's finally ready, they send it to everywhere else except here. Well, things happen. I guess not having such a notoriety is a drawback. Okay. Anyway, let's see. Let's cut this. They have their tag. And within the box, let's see what they have there. Okay, they have extra links. They have the warranty card, of course. They have extra links there. Oh, Ooh, look at that. They provided also some tightening substance. I don't call it Loctite. There you go, Loctite. That's how they call it. So that's great. So if you wanted to really secure your links together, you add Loctite first. You have the tools here, you have the screwdriver there, etc., etc., etc. Silica gel. Hate silica gels on boxes. Anyway, the irony is, our watch, the Quadras, you can see it from here, also has silica gel. Anyway, those things happen. Out with silica gel, out with the box, and here is the watch. Yes, the Adamascus 8 Thailand edition. And this here is a two-tone Adamascus. Let's unwrap it from here. 904L steel. Goodness there, guys. Look at that. How brilliant that is. How brilliant. Very, very brilliant. Let's remove these stickers. Oh, look at that. Caution. Please tighten the screws before wearing. Okay, so they probably had some run-ins and some complaints about that. That's why they had that. But that's not a bad idea to put in on there. Not bad, not bad, Adam. Wise. Very wise of you, Wise. You know I'm gonna make that dad joke. Anyway, does that qualify as a dad joke, guys? Comment down below. And remember, all of your comments that you put in this video, as always, I keep forgetting. I keep mentioning it at the end of the video, but it should be mentioned at the beginning of the video. Anyway, so the whole point is, when you comment on this unboxing videos, those comments actually make it into the video review of the watch. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think, and then the good ones, the good and interesting comments will make it in to the actual video review. And sometimes that actually helps me to form my ideas on what to say about this watch. And look at that. I think it's a very beautiful watch. Is it gilt? Is it gilt? Let me see, is it a gilt? I think it is. Anyway, nice two-tone bezel, and also that crown is also gold plated probably. But that 904L steel bracelet is very, very brilliant, very brilliant. And you can see also from the back, remove that sticker as well. There we are. Look at that. Very nice. Oh, they have a new rotor now. And also a nicely decorated, machine decorated caliber there. I think that's a Miyota. Look at that. Look at how it fits my wrist. Very, very nice. You see, that's the thing about 904L steel. There's a subtle brilliance to it that could not compare with regular 316L steel, and this is also 904, so you could see there's a little bit more light play on 904. I like 904L steel. So again, that's the Wise Adamascus now in a full bracelet. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think about this Adamascus, and all of those good comments, interesting comments, funny comments, and even roasting comments. Comments will make it into the video review.